What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this precious metal. Now, gold on the intraday time frame, we see a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade gold. Now, first of all, let's see the bigger picture as usual to see the general direction in the market. Now, gold, what we see that on the monthly perspective, past month has closed with this strong bearish candle. Now, we have seen currently gold was approaching this monthly level of support. Now, with that approach, we have seen gold has created a higher low, failed to break the monthly level of support, which is a very strong level of support from a very long period of time. We have seen now a strong bounce from this monthly support with a higher low. That means that we could potentially see an uprise on gold. As you can see, there was a long term downtrend for an extended period of time. Now, this market to the downside now is overextended, we could potentially see a significant retracement. So if we take our Fibonacci to see how much retracement we can expect on gold for this move, we can expect at least 38.2% Fibonacci level for this move to the upside, which is aligning with the previous monthly high. Now, to grab liquidity, if gold wants to break this level of support, gold needs to at least break the monthly high in this zone, which can give us a really significant bullish move now to the upside to complete a minimum of 38.2% Fibonacci level. So with that in mind, gold now we could see a potentially uprise on the monthly perspective. Now, if you look at the weekly time frame, we have seen there was a low higher low double bottom on this zone with a doji, that's a deceleration from the sellers activity. Now this week we have seen gold open with a gap. That means that we could potentially see a push to the upside. As you have seen, the gold has failed to create a lower low, instead it has created a higher low, and now we could potentially see gold might break this weekly high in the zone to grab liquidity before creating any move down. So with that in mind, on the weekly as well, we could potentially see a push to the upside on gold. Now, if we look at now daily time frame, we have seen the past day after this shooting star, there was a gap opening, and we have seen a middleman has been created in this zone, which is a long wick at the bottom, long wick at the top. That means that we could potentially see that gold slowly going up in this fashion, probably will break this weekly high that we have discussed, and then from this zone we could potentially see again push down. So with that in mind, on the daily perspective as well, we could potentially see a push to the upside on gold. Then how we can trade? If we look at the intraday time frame, we have seen gold has created nice looking now bullish price section. Starting from here, we have seen there was a head and shoulder and then created a double bottom with a higher low, has broken to the upside. Now every time the price was following a pattern, if you see that this is the important level of support, where we have seen there was a gap opening and then pushed to the upside, came back down to the same level, again created a double top, another push up. Now with that red candle, we have seen the past session, gold basically tested this neckline of this double top bottom, this resistance tested as support above this 20 period moving average on the 4 hour, and we see now gold is creating a bullish pattern. So from this zone we are observing for a potential bullish setup with our students for this move to the upside with a high probability trade setup. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.